interestingly, let's put out those pictures there. It is absolutely breathtaking because this is the images that have now been shared directly from space. NASA astronaut Don Petit has now shared breathtaking images of the Mahakumbh Mela from the International Space Station, and he's describing it as the largest human gathering in the world, and he's captured in brightly lit Ganges River, the pilgrimage at night, showcasing a stunning bird's eye view of the grand spiritual event. And those are the pictures there that have now been shared. Of course, when it comes to the Mahakumbh Mela, till now that we have seen 11 crores and counting devotees that have now come in and have participated in the Mahakumbh, and the numbers are expected to go up significantly, of course, with the coming second Amrit San that falls on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya. Even there, it's going to be record-breaking numbers, but this is a record in itself. What you're watching is not from a plane or from a drone image. This is directly from space. And an astronaut who has captured this entire scenario, you can see as far as when it comes to the arrangements, the build-up that has been done of the Mahakumbh, it is easily visible from space as well. Mesmerizing images of the Mahakumbh, NASA astronaut sharing the Mahakumbh photos. This is the stunning view from space directly, and the Mahakumbh seems to be glowing in the night sky. This is the world's largest religious gathering that is even visible from space. So with that, we leave you with these pictures. We'll be back on the other side of a very short break.